Everyone following us in our social media page. Me and Ipe just jumping on very, very quickly. Next Wednesday is Christmas. The Wednesday after is New Year's. But we've been hearing a lot of fireworks since probably 2-3 weeks ago, Ipe. Probably like that, eh? Probably 2-3 weeks ago, Ipe.
Koia, kai koia pe whakilala ka kulahi pa malaunga mai koia, ai lahi koe whana one.
Oh.
Launga mai, unga whana one tu uhala.
Yeah, so that's what Lipe was saying. There's a lot of people that's complaining. There's a lot of fireworks. It all the way up to, it's in the morning. I'm not sure why they do fireworks in the morning because you can't really see it because of the sun. But it goes all the way to late at night. Sometimes 12 midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. So please, I'm not even asking the people, the public, because we cannot really talk to the public not to do the fireworks. I'm talking to the authority, to the Tonga Police. Isn't there a noise law somewhere? Look in the look in the law book. There should be a noise law. I know you cannot listen to music that inside your vehicle, and if the music goes outside your vehicle, you can't listen to music that goes outside the music. I know there's a law there, but shouldn't that law apply to the fireworks? The fireworks is going all the way to 1 o'clock in the morning. Lipe is saying he did remember there is a law you cannot play or make noise 10 or after 10, but the fireworks, you know, it's not good for the elderly, it's not good for the children, the young children, it's not good for our dogs, our pets, it's not good, it's just not good. And then what we're hearing is people are going to other people's property or business properties because they have like a parking lot or whatever, and they go sit there and they just do fireworks. So please, Tonga Police, there has to be, if you cannot listen to your music outside your vehicle and interrupt other people's listening, surely the fireworks is in there because it's up everywhere. Not in the vehicle, but in the air everywhere. Pa.
Pe longa ang kita ko to area ko ya. Pe ko hinga ko fatala no ko e bombong ni lala. E ko no hinga pau pe kwa ki lao si pe ke tokoni ke ka fana one. Ke fa si e fana tavare one. Pe foi taimi pe ko ha aho. Pe mai ke tau fango foi fana one. Ko palo pare mala ya pito fana one ya. Fu longo ko ke tau be ke tau fe tau fanau. Ka ko alo fe ke futo tu aia na we ke he ho tamari ko yo fana one ho tamari e la ko tonga peta o tau fana one
ko ewa
ko tonga peta ho fana one ho tamari e alwe fana one o ke taha ko wa heng ko te fa ia he ka vai ko to le ke ka no to ko yo no mafu ho ko ngai me ko ni ke we sia no mo i pe ka ke ngatai ko tau fangi Kuri fanga tapui api ko faka ofate ka pa fana one ko to be me no ke Christmasi fala la te sio ke ta fanga manu se na lere takai holo go e mea
pe ko ki kuri ko spot ago no live atu ko ma ke no ai ki tala no ne pe he ne alwa spot he to ko ne pa ko ai monga fi al pe pa osbe wiki u pa te foki ma spot ki puri a spot ne
ko la
fanga one puri a spot ya spotty come home. Spotty, come home.
Bagi kai ngatai la ko ni albena Spotty ore osmo New Year. Ko fana ore ko ni le pe ko to ko New Year. To fok ma be Spotty ose New Year la. Ba musia mo Spotty ne ilo hala ki api. Okay, ko Korea to ke kau polisi. Me ni wa ki lao, mai be lao ke ne faka tangata. Ka pau ko tau tate pe tau me le ko pau ke ngata pe ilo to me le o te fana ko mai ka nga api gai. Toton pe kwa lao. O ko ilo ko hanga hula ko koncheti. Ko ne ko ke ko ngofulu la. Pau ke laisenia. Apa ka ke laiseni ha ko polisi ta ofelonga ko ya. Meni wai be ki lao be ke fana one.
O guai be ya.
O guai be.
Me be Tonga Police lipe. Ko tau put nga polisi ke na usio ke lao. Hoke ke pesi ko ya fika sio ko ke lao ko ni. O ala ki ai o faka hoko na nga o eri be. Ke pesi ko ya fika ko lao ko ni. O ke lave ko ki ai. Ke na ke pes di longo a.
Pes longo a.
Pa na wala ki ai o faka hoko na nga o eri be. Hala ko eri be.
Okay ko Korea tu ya. ia. Ke tau ki isi o whakaluku fuange, ke ta whaaki koe whanau ne, koe koe ngā ke ta ofi. Ai pēr fo i taimi pau, ke whai e whanau ne, tau osi iro i kotoa, e whai whanau ne he taimi ko ia, ma te uteua te koutou rekere kā ke ai, nau tolu ke nau sa ia whanau ne, nau ilo po te nau ona to, tau atatu ki hahake no whai ku whanau ne a kolo longoa a moha. Lala, te tau lava pēr whinga hawe ki ka ua ai ke whana tamare o ne, ko tonga pē taha whana, tā wahoa tā marie, mo taha, tā taha pe me ai, ki he taha pe koe wahengengi.
And that's a good point, Lipe, to all the English speakers out there. Lipe was just saying they should have a time where all these fireworks people say, we want to do it on this date, or there is a date that's been given to us by Tonga Police or by government saying this is the only day that you can do fireworks and you can do it in this area only. They nominate an area. So that way the residents be like, oh, maybe I'll go visit my family in Hahake. I'll go visit my family in Hifo. I don't like fireworks. And then there's a time frame, from whatever time to whatever time, and then the family, we gotta go back because the firework is done. Don't just allow people to do fireworks whenever you want. Like we mentioned, there's fireworks during the day. I don't know why, because you can't see it. There's fireworks just as it gets dark, and there's fireworks all the way to 1, 2, 3 in the morning.
Man, that's crazy.
That's crazy. It is not good. So make sure Tonga Police turn the page in the law to the page saying no noise. Why no noise? Turn to that page and do your job. And do your job. Stop it. Do your job. Because you don't want me and Lipe to go and stop it.
Maria Minister.
Off